got it all back together. Getting ready to fire it up. Get some, sound. I know the sound won't come through very good. It's kind of windy, but at least you'll have something to go by. It's alive. Now I'm going to open up this cutout.